We're about to climb a mountain. And it's fucking high. Chances of dying is high. Everyone good? Good. All right, you guys set up? All right, 1, 2.
Hello.
I got this weird notification. Dominos has this deal for $5.99 medium pizza each. Whoa, what? Everton. You're recording. Back it up. Where we at?
Bro, no. It ain't that bad.
This shit dirty from the hike, but whatever. Wait. That's what we need, a selfie stick. Huh? Oh, okay.
I don't know where I can see them there though.
What's up? How you feeling? Cold as fuck, bro. Domino's has a 5 for $5.99 for 2.
Like that little stream right there.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Oh, Nico threw up.
Okay.
Got tummy ache. Bro, a quick Google search. Come on, man.
What was it called then?
Do you do that?
Hey, they said they're gonna cut off the power right now. Get out!
It's the largest one.
That's a big mountain.
Hurry up, get this shit fast like Domino's. $5.99 per medium pizza.
You want to take a photo of him real quick?
Come on, let's go.
Go, let's go.
So years ago, a boogeyman used to be. Oh shit! Used to kill the Chinese motherfuckers. Luckily, no one's Chinese, right? What they say: once you go black, never go back.
Hey, I still need some action shots.
I feel like 80% of the videos is gonna be no fun to this.
My goodness! But I wanted to go with the homies. That's what it's all about. Fuck the view, about the experience with the people. Right, Flecker?
I'm ready to go. I want to see these waterfalls. If it's a hike, I'm not going.
No more hikes for me.
How you snow chains?
I don't know. I've never put them on.
How do you use yours?
You put in your fucking trunk.
What about
I
you?
don't have snow chains in my trunk.
No. How would you use snow chains? If you
So
were to
why
snow.
would you put the snow chains in your trunk?
Make it heavier. So you don't fucking slide around.
Wait.
What?
Your tires won't break.
You put the snow chains on your tires.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Hold on.
They're circular for a reason.
Tell you right now, you, and that motherfucker over there told me you put snow chains in that part right there.
No, you put it on your tire.
He's the one who said truck, and y'all agreed with him.
No, I didn't.
Come on, bro. Be better. Come on, bro.
Problem.
Alright, what's your expectations today?
Someone's gonna start crying.
What's your expectations today?
To see rocks.
I think it's gonna be a good hike, but when we come back, it's gonna be the worst because it's gonna be in the dark. We'll most likely run into animals. I think someone will get hurt.
How high could this be? What time is it now?
Dominos.